So this task is based on for loop. So in the objective, they have given a brief description about for loop once you check it out. And you should have a knowledge about for loop. And the task is what same as the previous one. That is, they enter the digit and you have to display that digit in a word, lowercase English word. If they're entering the value 4, your output should be FOUR. But the task is little twisted in this. What is that? They are going to enter two values A comma B, right? And suppose in the range A comma B, right, whatever the value they enter, for example, here 8 and 11 they have given. That means from 8 to 11. So in the range 1 to 9, how many numbers are present in this given range 8 to 11? 8 and 9. Only there are two. 8 and 9, you display them in words. 8 and 9. The values which are more than 9 in this range, which are available, they should not be printed as a 10, 11, 12, 13 like that. What do you have to do? You have to check those values whether they are even or odd. If they are even, you have to print it as even, otherwise you have to print it as odd. So let us go with this. Here what we do, we'll have a for loop. Int I equal to starting from the value A, and then I less than or equal to B. And every time I should increment by 1. After that, I have to check if I is greater than or equal to 1 and I is less than or equal to 9. If this is the situation, then in this, if I equal to 1, then what do you have to do? Printf, you write 1 and slash. That is what? After printing that 1, it should go to the next line. If I write slash in the beginning only, as per the output of this program, first only it will leave one line gap. So that will not be okay with the output what they have given. That is why. Else if I equal to 2, fine. Then it is printf, it is 2 slash semicolon. Similarly, you have to do for remaining all numbers, like how we did in the last program, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 'semicolon, and then 8, 9. Okay. Now let us change all these things. Up to 2 it is okay. Now it is 3. We'll write 3. Similarly, 4 and other things. But here I'll write it. 4, 5, then 6, 7, then 8, then 9. This is extra. This will cancel. This is what? Up to 9 more now. After 9, else if I is greater than 9. Suppose if I is greater than 9, then what you have to check? Else if I greater than 9 and I modulus 2 equal to 0. Then what do you do? If I is greater than 9, you have to print even, else printf odd slash. Fine. This is the way. Let us execute, run this code. One mistake is there, semicolon is missing here at the end of the printf. Run this code. Still there are mistakes. What are they? What they are? See, 8 and 11 is there actually, but I think, see, it is instead of for 8, it is printing 7 means here 8 I have written it 2 times. One is actually 7. Right. Now, here you run this. Now it is correct. 8, 11, 8 and 9. And for 10 and 11, 10 is a even number, 11 is a odd number. Fine. So once you check it out, the program is the version. Right. Compared to the previous one, it was a little tricky. Okay. So we will meet you in the next video. Thank you.